The following is an example of using the banner iVu for inspection for transparent lids on top of the containers. Main difference with the transparent lid is this corner has a kind of a lift up tab on it versus the other corner. So that's what we're going to be looking for as it's in position on the containers. Now we're also going to look at the containers with just a foil top on them, and you can see even with the foil top it has a tab, and we're going to show how the iVu does not recognize that tab of foil as being the same as the tab on the plastic cover. So what we'll do is we'll come up here, we'll show you what the back of the iVu looks like, and right now this display is showing us basically how the iVu is working. Now within this display we have two canisters. We'll be evaluating two canisters at one time, and what that will allow us to do is to be able to handle your 4 canisters with 2 cameras. And right now the camera set up so that as I place one of these on here, it will see that is good. You can see there's a blue check mark or blue crosshair and green outline up in the upper left hand corner, and we'll place this guy over there and you'll see a second blue crosshair appears and the green outline. So you see the green outlines and the blue crosshairs. When there's 2 blue crosshairs, you get a green check mark right here. If I remove one of these covers, you'll get a red X, because right now the system is set up to find 2 covers in place. If it only finds one, it does not pass the application. It will also work with a traditional opaque cover as well. So with the opaque cover in place, you can see that it finds that cover just fine as well. Even though the tab is a little less on that cover, it still sees that specific shape with the cover on it. Then one final check on this is we'll bring that foil up, and as we look at this, we'll see that the camera is trying to find a shape there, but even with that foil, it does not recognize it as being the same as the other shape. You can see it's finding a similar shape with the yellow outline, but there's no blue crosshair or green outline saying it is the same shape. And this is how we would differentiate in the application between just a foil top and no top or the proper top in place. And again, there's the opaque cover, and here is the translucent cover. So with these covers in place, you can see it immediately finds it, gives us a passing when it sees 2, and the iVu is going ahead and make sure that those lids are in place. Again, even with the foil underneath and with that tab of the foil sticking up.